Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Home Decoration Ideas. Today in this video I will share some beautiful scrap metal ideas for your home decorations. Scrap art is an exploration of how materials inspire creativity. The artist who comes to scrap use all manners of materials in their work, taking advantages of the unending supply of materials, both traditional and non traditionals, that pass through scrap. Metal arts can be either purely decorative or functional and useful too. For example, cups and bowls were hammered from metal, accomplishing both decorative and functional purposes. There are so many ideas of metal scrap designs, useful and decorative objects fashioned of various metals including copper, iron, silver, bronze, lead, gold, and brass. To recreate this activity at home, all you need is paint, cardboards, and plain white metal. Embossing is the practice of raising design on a metal plate from the inside so that the design appears in relief on the outside. If you are thinking that how to hang metal print, you can clean the beak of your print, rub the area where the hanger plate will go, position of the hanger plate, you can remove the anti-adhesive paper, and that's on. Metal crafts. The metal crafts fall into six major categories like ironwork, bell metal work, brass work, gold work, silver work, and ornamental work. Different types of paints. You can make scrap art with different types of metals. You can use rods and cut and scrap them. You can make beautiful things for your home decorations. You can identify the metal. Different metals require different primers, so begin by identifying the type of metal you will be painting or scrapping. You can remove old paint and rust, scuff the metal, prime the metal, apply campaign paint, and allow the paint to cure. There are so many ideas. Decorate metal designs for home decorations. These scrapping things looks beautiful in your interior home decor ideas. Keep watching my videos for more and more decorating styles. And these metal scrap ideas will help you a lot in your home. At the end, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, press the bell icon for that you can get the notifications of my new upcoming home decorating ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.